Ladies and gentlemen, guys, I'm putting the music on, and welcome back to Demolition Derby! Yeah! We're back in part 3! We're back in part 4! Yay! Yay! Okay, that was so we're back in part 4. Can't believe it. Now we decided to race with the police. This time I don't know what the police is. Now let's get popping now. Still no coming? Whoa, 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 this thing works. This thing even works. Ow. Nah, nothing happening. Whoa, what are you fast? Wow, that hurts. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Check that out. Okay, I stopped my car. I stopped my car. Let's feel me like that. So the first thing goes back to normal, like something. Yeah, okay, let's go. Because I can't believe it. I'm gonna stop my car until I get the cops gun. I can't remember. If I don't know, then the cops won't see me. Oh, good thing I didn't get to the wall. Good thing I'm still alive. I don't want to be upside down. Alright, hunt a car, like a police car, and chase it and go there. I'm getting confused. Well, looks like I'm taking a lap. I can't even hear. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. No. Ha ha no. I get started. It looks like I'm taking it that way. Drift. Okay, there you go. Oh, there you go. That's good. Okay, one more time. Drift. Okay, no. No. I'm still it. One more up and we stop the brakes. Here it goes. We're going to burn it down. We are ready to go to burn it down, guys. There you go. Oh, stop it. Oh, shoot. Ow, I hit myself. Oh my god. Bro, I can't even hear. There goes the car. No, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. No! There you go. There's your dirt track. Hold on, stop. Hold on, stop, 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 stop. No! Stop the drift. Hold on, stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. There's no cars? No, there's no cars in this track. Oh, there you go. There's my boy. Whoa, I'm kicking him in this track. I can't even hear that. Crashing. You know what? This video, I'm gonna name it called Demolition Derby Crash with Cars. Yep, that's a good title. I'll do that in the video. I think the music stopped. Like right now, I think. Alright. Whoa, I can hear it, but I hear the brakes is coming from. Here it goes. Here it comes. No. This is hard. Here it goes. There you go. Do we have him? No, it's coming. No, wait. Okay, no. Oh, almost. Let's see what the other car. He was right there. He was right there. Okay. What's the car? What's the white car? White? Where you come from? No, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That's a good track. Oh. That was really good tire, man. Oh no, my tire's flat. Oh, there he goes. That's where I'm at right now. I'm stuck. Can't even drive? Oh, my car's not working. But I can drive those though. Whoa! Yo. Oh no, my brakes is gone. Oh no. Okay, it dies. It's over, boys. It's over. It's over. That's a nice slow car. You know what? That's a slow car. That's a slow car I haven't seen before. It's no time. It's no time now. Whoa, it's stuff like that? Okay. That's how you stop it. Oh. Did it come there? Did it come right through the wall? Uh, hold on, I gotta stop it. So let me get this straight. This car came out to me right there side by side. They're like over there, right? Like when I was right there with him. I didn't go side by side. I was like right there to the car. He passed me. He didn't go that way in the track. It makes no sense. Okay, guys. Well, that's it, guys. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Thumbs up.